Hey y'all, good morning. I am going to give you a little tutorial on Living Hope. I know it's been several weeks since we've been over that song, and we went over it just a couple of times and we sang through the chorus and things. But anyway, I'd like to do this on Sunday. It's very, very simple, but I just want to go through a few things. I'm going to go over the form real quick. You might find on Planning Center a file that says choir sheet SATB, and that'll show the melody. Then when it gets to the chorus, it's going to show 4 parts on the chorus. So when we sing this song, Jason's going to sing the first line of the song. We're going to come back and sing verse 2. When we get to the choruses, it'll all be in parts. When we get to verse 3 is sung twice, and the end of the verse changes just a little bit. So we all sing in unison together on verse 3. Then there's a repeat, and you'll notice the little note cues in your music. It just changes the melody just a little bit. And at the end of the verse, we're going to sing in 4 parts right here. End of the verse, 4 parts right there. Then we sing again parts on the chorus 2 more times. Then there's a tag, and that's it. So what I want to do right now is just to kind of go over the chorus. So if you've got music, I'm starting at measure 24. Here's the bass line. Here's the melody in the tenor line, altos and sopranos. And so it goes like this. 1, 2, 3. Hallelujah, praise the one who set me free. Hallelujah, death has lost its grip on me. You have broken every chain. There's salvation in your name, Jesus Christ, my living hope. Excuse me. Okay, so that's the chorus there. And so if altos, if you want to hear your line, I'm going to play your line for you, and I'm also just going to put the bass line in just to have a little reference note there too. So here's the bass line. Here's the alto line, and it goes like this: 2, 3. Praise the one who set me free. Hallelujah, death has lost its grip on me. You have broken every chain. There's salvation in your name, Jesus Christ, my living hope. Altos, there you go. So now the sopranos, I'm going to put your note out here. We're also going to reference it with the bass line here. So here's the soprano line. 1, 2, 3. Hallelujah, praise the one who set me free. Hallelujah, death has lost its grip on me. You have broken every chain. There's salvation in your name, Jesus Christ, the living hope. Okay, and just going to put it together one more time so you can hear all the parts together. You can try to sing your part with it if you want to. It goes like this: basses, tenors, alto, and soprano. Remember, tenors, you have the melody. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hallelujah, praise the one who set me free. Hallelujah, death has lost its grip on me. You have broken every chain. There's salvation in your name, Jesus Christ, my living hope. Yeah, so that's how that goes. Let's go through it from the beginning so you'll know how to sing the verses. So the first one goes like this. How great the chasm that lay between us. How high the mountain I could not climb. In desperation I turned to heaven and spoke your name into the night. Then through the darkness, your loving kindness saw through the shadows of my soul. The work is finished, the end is written. follow along in your music on verse 2. Here we go. 2. Who could imagine so great a mercy? My heart could fathom such boundless grace. The God of ages stepped down from glory to wear my sin and bear my shame. The cross has spoken, I am forgiven. The King of Kings calls me his own. Beautiful Savior, I'm yours forever. Jesus Christ, my living hope. Now here's the chorus. Ready? Here we go. Hallelujah, praise the one who set me free. Hallelujah, death has lost its grip on me. You have broken every chain. There's salvation in your name, Jesus Christ, my living hope. It will repeat that. And then we'll go to the chorus. We'll go to verse 3. So now, let's take a minute and just take a look at verse 3. So, it's sung twice, and then the chorus is sung twice in unison. And there's some cues that we sing. That means just we have these little notes that we're changing the melody just a little bit near the end of this, near the end of the repeat. And then we sing at the end of this verse. We have some part work. So let's sing through verse 3. Then came the morning that sealed the promise. Your very body began to breathe. Out of the silence, the roaring lion declared the grave has no claim on me. And we repeat it. Then came the morning that sealed the promise. Your very body began to breathe. Out of the silence, and here's the change. The roaring lion. Now 4 parts. Here it is. Declare the grave has no claim on me. Jesus, yours is the victory. So let's take a look at that end of that little verse there. I'm going to play the soprano part and the alto part together. And it's declared the grave has no claim on me. This is measure 43. Here's the altos. And here's the sopranos. And it goes like this. All right, so I'm going to add the tenor line in here this time, and the bass, tenor, alto, soprano. Declared the same place. We're at a measure 43. Declared the grave. 2. Declare the grave has no claim on me. Jesus, yours is the victory. And now the chorus again. Hallelujah, praise the one who set me free. Hallelujah, death has lost its grip on you. You have broken every chain. There's salvation in your name, Jesus Christ, my living hope. And we repeat it. Hallelujah, praise the Lord. there. Let me just play that for you. I'm going to start right at the second ending, and we're at measure 57. At the pick up to 57. So Jesus Christ, pick up to 57. This is the second ending. This is the tag. And it goes like this. Sopranos and altos is what I'm going to play here. So let me play it with the basses, tenors, alto, and soprano. Here we go. Pick up to the second ending, and it goes like this. Jesus Christ, Jesus Christ, I hope that helps. I see that this is almost a 12-minute video. So anyway, if you got 12 minutes, maybe you got 12 minutes today, maybe you got 12 minutes another part of the week, give it a shot and see if this helps. And also listen to the recording on Planning Center. It's really, really good. It may not have all those choral parts in there, but hopefully this will help. Y'all have a great week. Bye.